Hello my dear friends, in this video we are going to see most amazing people and their amazing works. These people are very talented and skillful. You will be very surprised to see the amazing feats of these people. So let's watch and enjoy. This girl is very expert in playing with the football. She can run this football anywhere on her body. Wow, she is amazing. His arms and fingers are really very strong. See how easily he is doing it. This girl is very flexible. She can do simple types of calisthenics in very easy way. He can do jiggling along with riding on the cycle. But he is doing it professionally and you must not try to do these type of acts. These girls are playing football nicely. I think she is very pro in handling the football. This girl is holding a cup on her upper leg and then the boy jumps and drops the cup. This person is eating ice so cold despite it being so cold. This grass cutter machine is very fast and very satisfying. The peacock spreads its wings as soon as it sees another peacock. The ice on the water is slowly breaking. Can you tell me in the comment what is this thing? This boy flips in a very unique way. Tosses the boxes and turns around and catches them. Wow, this person is jumping rope while riding a bicycle. She flies in the air and then jumps into the water. He is master in the skating. This girl has a very amazing item. She can ride on it when she wants. He is very experienced in balancing the glasses. This cat jumps and gets into the very small space. He is very talented cyclist. I thought he will fail in jumping, but good. Wow, she is doing amazing trick by this rope. This is how work is done on the large tires. These guys are playing in the gym. This person has a magical finger. The man riding the bicycle drops the drink. All the girls are skating very nicely. This guy has a very cool body. He has very powerful arms and shoulders. This girl is perfect to play with these spinners. She has 3 spinners and she uses all of these in only one time. His aim was very clear and he achieved it. Jumping between the pipes. One mistake and his knees would have suffered a lot, but luckily he safely landed. Checking of the strength. Wow, it looks very amazing. They are surfing in very same order. They are planting very fast togetherly. Gaming car puts phone on charging. Wow, very amazing flip. He is exercising by this dumbbell. See his thighs bro. Basket by kick. He jumps in the air and then catches another pipe. Amazing show by using the ladder. He is playing with a ball along with skating. He is entertaining all the audience very well. He crosses the entire water in only one turn. They stand up by helping each other. It is not what you think, it is not green water. He is pro in this game. Do not try this without any professional setup. He is doing it professionally. The girl is cycling in a unique way. The driver doesn't even hesitate about it. This man has the teeth of iron. These are doing their actions very well. This girl takes two bottles in her hands and balances on them and stands with her hands. Wow, she is very talented. Please do a like on the video. He walks properly with the help of only a stick. Wow, what a unique idea. This girl is very powerful in arm wrestling. He even does a backflip over this pipe, forming of the bubble with the dough. Very smooth skating. Nice way to apply brakes on skating. He is standing on his hands and his feet are on his hands. How it can be possible, bro? He is cycling and dreaming togetherly. Dancing with the skating shoes. Bro is definitely a hacker of this trick. Both of them have very strong arms and body. This girl is awesome. This person jumps and hangs on this pole by his feet. Amazing horse riding. Bro is exercising his hands and his legs simultaneously. He is moving his hands like a robot machine. This girl is very flexible. He touches only one glass, but still all the glasses fall. So friends, if you enjoyed this video, then please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye, take care, meet you in the next video.